Thank you for choosing to buy ClearChain Litecoin. You'll want to download the MetaMask app. Once you do that, go to Settings and then Networks. You'll then want to add a network. Once you do that, you'll want to import the information and put it into the correct fields. The smart chain, make sure that the URL is the correct URL. The chain ID will be 56 and it'll be on the Binance BNB network. You'll now have the option to connect to your current wallet, or you can obtain the address from your MetaMask account and then transfer BNB coin into your MetaMask wallet. You'll now connect your wallet and purchase your BNB. You'll then copy the address to CCLC from the website and then utilize that after you import tokens on MetaMask. Congratulations, you have purchased CCLC coin and it's now in your wallet. Remember that there is a vesting period, so you have a portion of it that appears up front. Thank you for purchasing CCLC coin. To the